welcome to this tutorial, and we will do lesson 1, the grammar today. So you look at your textbook or you can take a note. We look at the grammar of lesson 1. So talking about Chinese grammar, with this lesson you get to know your first sentence. So by now you should have the sense that Chinese grammar actually is very loose. So basically we need to really focus on the word order, especially in level 1. The word order somehow quite similar to the order in English. In a normal sentence or in a very basic sentence, everything starts from the subject, and after subject is the predicate. Predicate is the section tells us what happens to the subject. And normally at the end of the sentence, there will be other elements. So we'll look at some examples. This lesson 1, 你好, we get to know the greeting. 你 is the subject, you. And normally subject is either somebody or something. And 好 tells what happened to the subject. 好 means good. And in this sentence, please remember, 好, even though in English we consider it's an adjective, and normally we say be good, you are good, I am good. But in Mandarin, adjective can work directly as a verb. So in this case, you don't have to say the be before it. The adjective 好 is already considered or already work as a verb in this sentence. You are good. And any adverb you should put before the verb, and both of them put together construct the predicate. So we look at next example, 我 as the subject, I. 好 same as the verb, adjective works as a verb. 很 very, it's the adverb, so you have to put it before the verb, and two of them construct the predicate, very good. So the sentence means I very good. And because good means be good, because it's a verb, so I am very good. And we look at other example. 立波, the name as the subject. 也 the adverb. 很 another adverb. All before the verb 好. So 立波 also very good. And this good is be good. So 立波 is also very good. If there are more than one adverb, somehow you have to pay attention to the order of these adverbs. 也 always before 很. 立波也很好. So if there is a full stop here, then this sentence finish. 立波 is also very good. But we can put other elements afterwards and change this full sentence to be a question. So 嘛 is the particle we use to make question. In Mandarin, when we say particle means by itself, the word doesn't really mean anything, and you have to use it together with other elements. For example, these particle used together with the full sentence here. Then this particle 嘛 change the whole sentence to be a question. 立波 is very good. Yes or no? So this is a question about yes or no. Is 立波 very good? And we have another particle making questions as well. 呢. The difference between these two, 嘛 with a completed sentence, but 呢 with words or the omitted question. 他 as the subject, and there is no predicate, so this is not a completed sentence. Then 呢 after it, 他呢? Then this is another question, but it's an omitted one, a short one. How about her? Or just say her. So this is the very basic grammar with lesson 1. You should know that adjective can work as verb, and the order is always subject before predicate. And if there are more than 2 adverbs together, pay attention to the order of the adverbs. Yeah, always before 很. Ma after a completed sentence to make a yes or no question. Ne after only words, not completed yet. An incompleted sentence, or you can say yes, and with ne. Both of them yes or no question. That's for today. Happy learning Mandarin.